Once upon a time there lived a poor but honest woodcutter in a small village. Every day he would go to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market to earn a living. One day while he was cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. He became very sad, as it was the only axe he had, and without it, he could not earn his livelihood. As he sat by the riverbank worried, suddenly a shining figure appeared. It was an angel. She asked him, "Why are you so sad, woodcutter?" He replied, "My axe fell into the river. It was the only tool I had to work and feed my family." The angel smiled and dove into the water. She came back holding a golden axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter looked at it and said, "No, that is not mine." She went into the water again and returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Again the woodcutter replied, "No, that one is also not mine." Finally she brought up an old iron axe, rusty but familiar. The woodcutter's eyes lit up and he said joyfully, "Yes, that is my axe." The angel was impressed by his honesty. She gave him not only his original axe but also the golden and silver axes as a reward. The woodcutter thanked her and returned home happily. From that day on he lived a better life and always told others that honesty is the best policy. Credit story adapted for children.